The world is looking for new disposal options for contaminated plastics and e-waste. These options must have high energy recovery values and be more environmentally attractive than landfill and incineration. According to the United Nations, 20 to 50 million metric tons of e-waste are discarded every year. In the US alone, 142,000 computers and over 416,000 mobile devices are recycled or dumped every day. Global operator WasteTech has designed the world's first commercial-scale metals recovery and plastics-to-fuel systems. WasteTech's treatment of mixed and contaminated plastic wastes and waste oils has been designed to produce transport-quality, low-sulfur diesel, kerosene, white spirits and syngas for conversion into energy. The fuels produced are used in standby energy production, industrial, commercial, agricultural, transport on water and road, and construction environments, and has a wide variety of uses, from heating to fueling machinery and farming equipment. WasteTech's plastic-to-diesel systems are also capable of extracting gold, rare earths and other precious metals from recycling old and unused mobile phones. The EPA in America states that for every 1 million mobile phones recycled, the following metals can be recovered: 35,274 pounds of copper, 772 pounds of silver, 75 pounds of gold, and 33 pounds of palladium. Processing e-waste, also known as WEEE, can recover rare and precious metals, including copper, tin, aluminium, and iron. E-waste might include obsolete or broken computers, televisions, printers, photocopiers, and household white goods. Recycling circuit boards can be more valuable than mining for ore. According to the EPA in America, 1 metric ton of circuit boards can contain 40 to 800 times the amount of gold and 30 to 40 times the amount of copper mined from 1 metric ton of ore.
A major advantage of the Waste Technologies process is its ability to handle unsorted, unwashed, used plastics. Even heavily contaminated mulch film can be processed without difficulty.
In fact, most plastics can be processed directly, even if contaminated with dirt, aluminium laminates and other laminates, printing inks, or oil residue.
Waste Technologies utilise a pyrolysis process for converting waste plastics into liquid fuels. It has a major advantage of reduced coking, thereby allowing the process to run continuously. Pyrolysis has been validated as an efficient means of converting waste plastics into fuels by a recent Aachen University report from Germany.
Waste Technologies Limited is an Australian unlisted public company established in 2005. Its first commercial plant is expected to be constructed at the Deeside Enterprise Zone in North Wales, where negotiations are currently underway. The plant can run continuously and will process more than 6,000 tonnes of feedstock and produce 5.2 million litres of fuel per year. Importantly, there are no toxic emissions produced from the process. The company plans to build, own and operate 5 plastic-to-diesel, e-waste to metals converters globally by 2018-2019, producing at least 25 million litres of distillates annually, as well as exploit franchise and joint venture opportunities. The plastic-to-diesel converter is scalable via a multi-modular design.
WasteTech's plastic-to-diesel converter is currently the world's most advanced technology for processing contaminated mixed oils and waste plastics into distillates. Plastic-to-diesel fuel can be blended with traditional fuels or used on its own. Its distillates can be used in industry, as marine fuels, in diesel generators, and even sold into the grid for standby energy generation.
Waste Technologies holds patents for its technology worldwide. There are global government incentives available to companies converting and recycling waste plastics to diesel, with new technologies that can produce fuels with a low sulfur rating. Demand for systems is expected to come from waste management companies, landfill operators, plastic packaging companies, alternative fuel providers and energy companies. Waste Technologies offers a novel and unique technology, diverting the global menace of contaminated plastics and e-waste from landfill and put it back into the global energy market.